Okay, so here we have a Maserati traction control and reverse selector T-handle. This particular mechanism is infamous because when you want to put the car in reverse, you have to pull it back. But in this case, you have to lift it and pull it back, excuse me, in order to make it operate properly. So this particular switch came to us with two replacement micro switches in it rather than the original micro switch, which we do repair. Unfortunately, a core value to buy one of these just to get those micro switch components is outrageously expensive. So we went with the aftermarket micro switches that are down inside and are activated by the movement of this switch arm. Now we have a schematic here showing the resistance values that are correct that this T-handle should elicit on our ohm meter here when in the forward and reverse position. We also have the ability to test these two buttons here, and this is just an affidavit to prove that everything works as required on this switch. So Matt, will you go ahead and push the lever forward, and you can see on the ohm meter that that does cause our desired resistance in kilo ohms to operate. Now, of course, you would never want to pull the car into reverse accidentally, so go ahead and pull the lever back and you'll see there's no change because it's locked out unless you lift the handle and pull back, and there you have the correct resistance again to confirm the operation of this mechanism. Now, Matt, go ahead and plug in the two push buttons now, and we will verify the work of the function of the traction control and auto.
So traction control, it's open, closed.
It's simple, open and close in that case. So infinity or closed, and then changing to the connections for the auto, and
Same.
again. So we have now all of the functions back. And we've used new components on the inside here of our own making. The rocker mechanism that contacts the micro switches. Once again, these micro switches are aftermarket and they are a good switch, but they don't have the detent feel of the originals. So the originals, when you push it forward, you can feel kind of a heavy spring-loaded click. Unfortunately, this micro switch does not have that in it. And as a result, it's just simply pull forward and it activates. No worries, it's locked from the back position, and then pill up to pull back and it operates reverse. So everything is operating very smooth, and we thank you for your attention.